In order to carry out this repair, we have to switch to the back side of our dryer. On the rear side, in the centre, we see the flange. The carbon brush is positioned on the inside of the plastic hook cap, which means we have to remove it from its place by loosening the top screw. Now, on the inside, we loosen the spring with our screwdriver and remove the old carbon brush. Then, we put the spring back in its place and push the new carbon brush in its position as well. Back to the flange, we can reattach the plastic hook cap again. Make sure the carbon brush is pushed and turned into position, otherwise it could break. We can now tighten the top screw again. The carbon brush now pushes against the metal ring, which means the drum is grounded.